This is Nimrod and old Flanagan. Old Flanagan's the black one. Nimrod's the black and white one. And Nimrod's, I named him after the king of Babylon in the Bible. It says he was a mighty hunter before the Lord. And Nimrod brings me live birds and live mice. He hunts, and he might look a little soft now, but he's a hunter. Yeah, and old Flanagan, I call her old Flanagan after a black Irish, because she's black. I'd have called her Obama, but I don't like Obama's politics. There we go. The mighty Nimrod has brought a specimen home into the house. There he is. Old Nimmy likes to bring me live spec. Don't you, Nim? You mighty hunter. I try to encourage the little bugger to get away, but all that does is bring out the hunter instinct. The other cat just kind of, oh, he's got another one there. Must have had a whole nest. There's a dead one there. This one here doesn't hunt that much, I don't think, but they brought in two, yeah. One's alive and one's dead. I don't know. Must have been a nest or something. But, oh, there they go. There they go. Always good entertainment. Live from the forum at my house. Okay, Nim, you nasty. There we go, there we go. Oh. Okay, let's try that again here.